Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, everybody. We worked on the swing out and the circle. So here's what the swing out looks like when you just jump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not that bad, right? Then we did it with 4. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. We'll do it this way so you can see. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Then we did the circle. The circle we started jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We nailed it. And then we did it with 4. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. We'll do it this way so you can see. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. And we did some exercises. Maddie, take it away.
Follow us. We talked about that 3-4 moment when we're coming in from a swing out. And we go step, step, triple step, step, step. And that's mimicking that moment when we're coming into our leap. We turn to face them, and as a result, our hips turn too, and we sort of do a crossing. So you can practice that at home. Step, step, triple step, step, step.
So, just for the record, that's like when we've done a swing out and we're going to do something else. She does that practice, tries to keep going, and I turn the thing that was linear, I turn it into a circle, or a swing out, or whatever. Okay, big one. Now, leader's thing, we did just a little forward, back to get something going, just to build the momentum for the swing out. Then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's when my body goes on a swing out, or very close to where it goes. So I'm going head, up, bang, my swing, my partner out. Everything's working down that line. When I'm doing a circle, it's circular. Surprise. So I go 1, 2, this way. Big distinction is that on the triple step on the swing out, I'm headed that way, and step number 5 is headed that way as well. On the circle, on my triple step, I'm headed this way, and I step underneath myself, just like this, but my body's twisting, so it seems like I'm crossing my feet, but I'm not really. In front though, and I would say not behind for beginners anyway. So here's the swing out. Here's the circle. Leaders, if you practice that by yourself, you'll be so much better with the partner when you come back next time. That is it. Good.